Well, hello everyone. My name is Jean, and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. I am so happy that you stopped by. As you can see here, today is Tablescape Tuesdays. It's hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and she has a special guest. Her name is Jubilee Tablescapes, or that's the name of her channel, I would say. Her theme is hydrangeas. So we should be in for a treat today because spring is blooming and hydrangeas are blooming in beautiful colors of lavender, peach, lime, and white. So I am anxious to show you guys what I have created for today's Tablescape Tuesday. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I would love to have you join the family of friends of Jean Home Decor and More. So with that, I will post the link down in the description box, which is Tablescape Tuesdays 25. This way you can click on that link and get the playlist of all the other co-content creators that are participating in today's Tablescape Tuesday. So look, I'm going to turn the camera around today so that you can see what I have created for you for today's Tablescape. Keep watching. So I hope you guys like what I have created for you for today's tablescape, with the theme being hydrangeas. There's nothing new on my tablescape. All of these items on the table I've had in my stash. I guess the newest thing that I might have on this table would be these clear chargers that I used most recently in a previous tablescape. I thought that these candle holders were really pretty. I got these the summer of 2023 from QVC, and they were Christmas in July. They were featured in Christmas in July. I never really got a chance to use them. They didn't have these type of candles on top. They actually had hurricanes that came on top. But when we moved here, they cracked in transit. So I decided to just use these faux candles in them. But I like this tablescape. You know, I have my layering going on, different textures, you know, and different patterns. And, you know, it makes it kind of interesting. You know, one thing I would say is, even though you use, you know, don't be afraid to layer and use different patterns or textures. You know, it just still makes for a nice tablescape because, or a nice table setting, because everything is well coordinated. So I did want to show you one thing though, so keep watching. Initially, I had planned on using these candle holders and these candles, because these candles, complement the colors on the table. But because I have the clear glasses and I have the clear bowls, I thought that these candle holders, these cut glass or glass candle holders, added a more dramatic effect. So I'm just going to remove them and I'm going to replace them with these candle holders. And you guys drop a comment down in the comment box below and let me know which one you like the best. So initially, like I said, I started off with the intent on using these candle holders and candles because, like I said, the gold base bottom of the gold candle holders kind of complement the the gold in the dinnerware, flatware, napkin rings. But I don't know, for some reason they just didn't pop to me. So I did like my favorite was the other ones. But let me know what you think. So look guys, I hope that you like my tablescape today with the theme of hydrangeas. Jubilee, I hope that you like this tablescape. I hope that you all have a blessed Easter with your family and friends. And until the next one, bye-bye.